Smooth yan.
Are you looking to bring life into your old home? Change your floorings, or maybe you want to renovate your kitchen or bathroom? Here at Juma Flooring in Reno, we do it all. We've been in business for 21 years, and with 5-star reviews, we have the experience and knowledge to renovate your home. We work with all types of flooring or renovate your kitchen, bathrooms, basement, and more. Once you contact us, we'll come straight to your door, go over all the details, and we'll give free estimate on any of your renovations. We also can help you get best prices on materials. We do have insurance on all the work we do. Visit our website, jumaflooring.ca, or call us at 905-537-7880 and schedule your free estimate today.